Welcome back to the channel. Hi, my name is Mike, and today what we have for the easy woodworking project is this little stool. Now, we're going to take this little stool, after we get it built, I'm going to show you just a little bit something how we're going to extend this thing and make it into a bench. So you're going to have both ways, a stool or a bench. So, okay, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, this is the amount of lumber. This is all made out of 2x4s. So when you buy the 2x4s, look for some really nice 2x4s. Find them straight as best you can, and then, without a lot of knots. Okay. So what I did is I wanted all my legs, and I wanted them squared instead of round, because the 2x4 is like this. It's rounded, okay, on all sides. When I did it, I went ahead. What I did, I cut these 2x4s down to 3 1/4 inches wide, or wide this way, and it's still the same as 1.5 inches as the regular 2x4 is. So I never cut this down. Okay, so all we did was cut this down here. So this one's 18 inches long. These will be the legs. So you'll need 4 of these. Okay. Okay, these are the cross braces. You're going to need 4 cross braces too. That's the ones I'm going to show you where they go. These are 9 inches long by 3 1/4, the same. I cut all the 2x4s, and when I squared them out on the table saw, I cut them all the same size. It's just 9 inches long. So we got 4 of those. Alright, now this is the top part. These are the seats here. Okay, so you're going to need 3 seats. That's all you need, 3 boards on the top, right across the top. And then, of course, I'm going to give you some of the measurements on where to put the holes at. But this is 16 inches long. So you got 3 of these 16 inches long. First thing you got to start with is the legs, of course. So I'm using 2-inch screws. That seem to work pretty good. A counter bit. I have the counter bit, of course, my drill. And you're also going to need a level or a square. You definitely need a square. A ruler, pencil, and if you like, go ahead and glue it. But when we get this started here, I'm going to explain something to you a little bit about how this other one came out. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to get legs. I'm going to give you a measurement on the legs. And the legs, like I said, are 18 inches long, okay, by 3 1/4 wide. Now, what I did, I got the holes drilled already for these. So I measured from this to be the bottom of it, like this, and this is the top where the seating is going to be, up here, okay? So we'll come up from the bottom, 3 1/4 inches, trying to keep that same number, so that number will be right there. It'll be a little easier, you guys mark it down. So it's 3 1/4 inches up, and then draw your line across. Okay, come from the end to here, 3 3/4 inches. From the end in 3/4 of an inch, and put your marks there. That's where you're going to pre-drill these. Okay, and then up on the top, what I did to the top is I laid it down and took one of the braces to go across, and I just matched it up like this and draw a line around it. Okay, and then you got to find the centers of those. Let's see if I have them here. Okay, what I did is I measured from the top down 3 that's actually 3 1/8. That's a 3 1/8 there. Okay, so I measured down from here to 3 1/8, and then I measured over 3/4 inch. Because you got what I'm trying to say. When you measure over 3/4 inch, you're getting the center of this board. There's 3/4, 3/4 make 1.5 inches. So that's how you're getting that. That's why I'm getting that 3/4 coming over, on the side. So that just kind of evens it out where you pretty much get those screws right in the center. Okay. So you need 2 of these, and like I said, there's a certain way you want to lay them. So this one goes here. So I got to put the screws over here, like this, and then the center brace. The center brace is the same thing, 3 1/4 wide, 9 inches long. So you're going to need 4 of those. This one lays down like that. Now, if you want, you can glue these. It's fine. Go ahead and glue them. But if not, just go ahead and just put them together. I think the screws would be fine. Hold them. I think that would be just fine, just using screws in them. Okay. cut my legs off. See, this one needs loosened up a little bit. Now this one here is actually marked up. Let me go ahead and tell you that one before we go any further with this. I know you're going to probably need that. If I did the bottom ones on the bottom of the leg where it sets up, from the bottom, that would be 2.5 inches, and then I draw the line on all 4 legs. So I draw it up 2.5 inches, and then I put it in like that. And then screw one side at a time, if you can. Okay. And like I said, you could put screws, or if you want to put glue on it, that's fine. Make sure that's lined up on the back side of them nice. Yeah, these are really simple to make. Great to get some of your projects done for the springtime. Pretty nice. This will be one of your sides. Okay, like that. And then we're going to build the next one like this. I mean, once you get used to where to put the holes and stuff, you know what I mean, by doing all this measurement, I like it pre-drill everything, instead of just drill with the wood. And then seems to come out pretty decent like that. Okay, number 2 side. Like I said, you get them drilled, they go really quick. Number 2 side right there. Now we want to take this one, turn it this way. I guess and turn it this way. Now, these are your seats. Okay, still I didn't cut the board down. They still got the little ends and stuff on it. They're 16 inches long. Okay, you need 3 of these. Take the first one, start right on the end here. And just get as close as you can to the end. I left mine with just a little bit of a hangover, so you'd be a little bit, wouldn't catch it with anything. Now, I can give you a little bit measurements. Okay, before we go any further, now I did do a couple different cuts on these. What happened is, you can see the bench here. The bench, you have the 2 screws up here, and then these ones here line. The 3 in the middle line up this way, and the 4 on the ends are offset. So you could get the screw in this board here. So if you're going to do it like that, I actually came in 1 inch or 2.5 inches by 3/4, again this way. And then this one here was 1 inch down from the board, 3/4 inch. Did that on 2 of these. And then the center one, all the center ones are all the same. This one here, and it's just 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, and then 3/4, 3/4. You know what I mean, like that. And like I said, just set these right on the end here. Put your 2 end ones on first. And then the middle one, just take it and take a guess at it if you want, or you can measure it out. I think it comes out to 1 inch on each side. No, you see, a little smaller than 1 inch. That comes out. That's a 3/4 by 3/4. And what you want to do before we go any further here is you gotta remember this. You definitely want to take a square to it. Okay. Before you put the boards and all the screws in. That's why you put all the screws in it. And make sure it's squared up as best you can. You know what I mean? There you go. You can see the screws up here. Now I didn't put them all in there because what I'm going to end up doing is taking this back off, and then I'm going to go ahead and paint the sides, and then I'm going to paint the top separate. I'm going to do like I did the other one and give two different colors. So, you know, there's really no sense of screwing it all together if you're going to do something like that, unless you're going to paint it all one color. But this is, if you have these two like this, stick these two together. Right now I got the tables on. And then you end up with a bench. So that's all you have to do. You got two stools, or stick them together and make them as a bench. Okay? Just screw them together. They'll be fine. This needs to come down a little bit and be screwed in. I don't have all screws in it. But really simple project. You guys will probably enjoy making these. Real simple. I can't see too much trouble in it. Just trying to line up your screw holes as best you can and cut your wood down. Buy, like I said, buy extra 2x4s, and then that way if you want to make it into a nice little bench and set it in front of something, it'd be great. But what we're going to do, like I said, we're going to strip these boards back off, fill in the rest of the screws I have I got to put in, and then we're going to paint these up. And what I'm going to do is, you got the green here and then the brown down here, and I'm going to switch it. I'm going to put the brown up here, and I'm going to paint the green down here, so it'll have two different colors. Benches are real nice, and stools are also. You can make these basically in your spare time, and simple to make. So okay, if you guys liked it, I hope you do, and maybe make a couple of them. Springtime's coming, you can set them outside and sit on when the sun comes out and it gets a little bit warmer. Okay, there you go for today. Like I said, a bench or a couple of little stools. Depends on which way you want them. Real simple to make, especially for the beginners out there. That's what we're trying to do, is you know, help the beginners to make a little bit out of things out of wood to make you, because it's nice doing that kind of stuff. So okay, if you got any comments, just leave them down below. If you have subscribed to the channel, please do. Leave me a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. It's helping me out a lot. And you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.